Here's a question concerning, like this kind of more trappier style thing. When you have like your machine gun hi-hats and, like changing rhythms and all that kind of stuff. What's your process with that? How do you know when to change stuff? How do you know when to put this hi-hat here or not here? Or maybe have this rhythm play here? Like, what's your process with that?
That's a really good question. Sometimes I really know, and sometimes I just have no idea. But a lot of the time it's, so, Troy Boy, he's a real, for me personally, like he's been a real influence in his hi-hat patterns, because if you listen to his music, like it's so minimal but hits so hard. It's all about the space between the little crazy hi-hat chops, whereas a lot of the time I do this and you tend to just lay down your basic hi-hat pattern. You do like just straight hats all the way through, whereas sometimes it's cool to just like not even listen to it and just load up the piano roll and just go like you get a few different hat sounds, so you've got like, and then just try putting them in random places. The beautiful thing about FL is you've obviously got your Alt A arpeggiator thing, so you can do all this stuff here, which just makes life really easy. And then it's just a case of playing with it until they sit in the right place. There's a little bit of randomness going on, and then the randomness turns into intention.
What's up, DAW Nation? Hope you enjoyed this little quick tip video from our Biometrix in the DAW episode, which, by the way, if you want to check out the full episode, over here in the top right corner, a little tag or a little card or whatever they're called is going to be showing up right now, where you can click on that and check out the full episode. Also, there is a link down in the descriptions where you can check out the full episode as well. Also, if you want to keep seeing more content like this, where we invite huge music producers, they dissect their songs in real time, actually give you actionable advice with your music production, then go ahead, click the little subscribe button that's right below this video. Go ahead, hit it as hard as you want, as well as tick the little notification icon so that you get notified whenever we put out new pieces of content. We'd also love for you to hit the like button and comment below, because we'd love to know if this is the type of content that you actually want to see. Also, DAW Nation, I would highly encourage you to check back over here on the channel multiple times a week, because we are always releasing new content and we don't want you to miss any of it. So go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, leave an absolutely amazing comment down in the comment section. And with that being said, DAW Nation, we'll see you on our next quick tip video.